everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with two E's. This is going to be my hair routine, my complete review about the Dyson Airwrap, and also letting you know if this is actually worth the money. I think the last 3-4 years I've completely nailed my hair routine. This has become my signature look and I literally cannot see myself in straight hair anymore because मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है. And in the last 1 month particularly, I figured out some tricks as well. So this is the video for you. Last year, the सबसे biggest trend for me in Reels has been partners surprising their girlfriends with Dyson Airwrap. Literally, हर जगह मैं वही देखती थी. It became the PS5 का equivalent for us girls, and now I feel like आधी से ज़्यादा जनता के पास तो Dyson है ही, या फिर they're considering buying it. So this video is for you if you are in that झमेला कि लूँ कि ना लूँ because it's actually quite expensive. Also, right now would be the perfect time for you to purchase these items because Amazon has its great Republic Day sale where you get up to 50 to 80% off on all of these brands. So yeah, and even the Dyson guys, almost 10,000 rupees off चल रहा है इस पे. So in case you're planning to buy it after this video, link मैं नीचे डाल दूंगी. And also, if you have it and you don't know how to make your curls last longer, this is my first day curls. And don't worry, don't get jealous. मुझे भी at least 5 महीने लगे हैं to nail this routine, to finally learn it, and just to know how to use the heads correctly, to know the tips and the tricks and how to use the correct products to make your curls last longer as well and to have the smooth finish. This is the video where I share all my secrets, all my hacks, all the products that I swear by, and also my complete review about this. So in case you're watching my face for the very first time, hit the red button and join the Sunflower Squad. And now let's begin. Coming to the Dyson that I own, I keep it like this. I think now I'm gonna roll in all the videos of me styling this hair. Okay, so this is how I look after a shower, fancy top, pajamas and hair all wrapped. Minus the makeup because अभी मुझे shoot करना है तो मैंने makeup कर लिया है. But other towels, so this is the microfiber towel that I always go for. I think 3 साल हो गए हैं. I am stuck on this. I swear by this. And I have it on for like at least 20 minutes by the time I'm doing my body and face ka skincare and everything. फालतू चीजें. So that it dries off all the water from your hair. गीले तो अभी भी होते हैं but वो जो dripping water होता है वो निकल जाता है. Now step number 1 is going to be a heat protectant. I'm using how my hair looks like. उतनी volume नहीं है जितनी starting में हुआ करती थी. Of course, I've lost a lot of hair significantly over the years, but I'm still happy with the length. I do plan on cutting these front layers. वापस से मैंने पिछली बार भी खुद काटे थे यहाँ तक, and they looked much better. But let's begin. इसके बाद I'm gonna apply this Absolute Repair oil on my ends and on the top of my head for that extra shine. And I feel like hair oils also have some protecting power. तो ये extra heat protectant की तरह काम कर जाता है मेरे ऊपर. I like it. So the hair is too wet to just go on with the styling heads. So I'm gonna just quickly use the dryer head, which looks like this. Put it on and use this. Also, I always use this on the cold setting. Highest fan setting, but the coldest heat. Blow dry के time पे I mostly focus on the root section and पीछे का section, not the lengths. Lengths have to be just the right amount of wet, almost like 70% wet. But ये roots, I want them dry. Also, इसका ये head आप rotate कर सकते हो. Like the air comes from here and here. You can easily rotate it. तो यहाँ से हवा आती है तो you can just simply do it. It's easier, convenient. And when you flip it all the way here, so you can use it like a smoothing brush to get rid of the flyaways as well. It's really good. after my roots are a lot more dry, I just use this smoothing brush. This gives that effortless, blow dried look. And I use it to just tame the flyaways from the top. And then I go ahead with the lens and the curling process. By the way, ये button press करके you can include all the head. इसको press करोगे दोबारा तो ये खुल भी जाएगा. This also on the cool setting only. Now you can see crown looks way more smoother. यहाँ के बाल look well settled. Now we're gonna go and work on the lens, and उसके लिए we need the hero product here, which is a mousse. I've talked about it a lot of times. This is the Boost Bounce variant from Wella. It's curl enhancing mousse. This is the game changer product that I found last year. And oh my god, I'm sorry. जिम के बाद मेरे हाथ पसले बड़े दर्द होते हैं. This is how it looks. It's very jiggly. मैं नीचे गिरा दूंगी इसे. But yes, I just take it on both the hands. एंड जो सेक्शन पार्ट्स है उसमें लगा लेती हूँ. एंड मेक श्योर कि आप स्टार्टिंग में भी अच्छे से लगाओ. ये जो स्टार्टिंग के लेयर्स हैं आपके उसमें लगाओ, पीछे लगाओ. मसाज इट वेल इन योर हेयर. दिस इज द रीजन वाई आपकी स्टाइलिंग टिकेगी. दिस इज दैट फेविकॉल, दिस इज दैट फेविक्विक का जोड़ दैट यू नीड इन योर हेयर. प्राइमरली फोकस की मूव्स यहाँ वाले पोर्शन में अच्छे से लगे, बिकॉज इसी से आगे के कर्ल्स आते हैं. पीछे आई एम स्टिल ओके. मैं पीछे अगर 2 दिन बाद कर्ल फिर से भी करने पड़ जाए तो आई एम फाइन विद इट. बट आगे वाला क्राउन सेक्शन आई वांट लाइक दीज थिंग्स टू बी टॉप नॉच. ना ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आई गो ऑल आउट विद दिस मूव्स एवरी टाइम. लिटरली 2 पम्प्स पहले लिए थे एंड एक छोटू सा पम्प. दैट इज इट. आई रियली डोंट लाइक स्टाइलिंग माई हेयर टू अ लेवल जहाँ पे दे डोंट इवन फील लाइक माई हेयर. दे बिकम वेरी स्टिफ. I don't like this. I want my hair to feel like hair. That is another reason why I don't go overboard with the mousse as well. वरना मैंने लोगों को देखा है जितना मैंने mousse पहली बार लिया था उतना अपने short hair में लगाते हुए. I feel that is way too much. And this will feel very slightly sticky, not a lot. Gentlemen, now is the time for curling and we have 2 heads from Dyson. एक ये थोड़ा मोटा वाला है, एक is the पतला वाला. This gives you more tighter curls. It's great for events and stuff, but for general nice kind of blown out curls that you get, big waves, उसके लिए this one is perfect. I like it. And मैं इन दोनों के diameters वगैरह यहाँ पे mention कर दूंगी, don't worry. So let's get this in. So while पहले आपको ये heads पूरे interchange करने पड़ते for each the side, now I'm so grateful I bought it at time जब ये क्लिक इफेक्ट आ गया था डाइसन के पास, वरना मेरी जैसी आलसी औरत ये कर नहीं पाती. नाउ कमिंग टू द स्टेप्स, आई हैव जस्ट मेड अ बीच की मांग एंड मैं पीछे तक रफ सेक्शन बना लेती हूँ ऑफ द राइट साइड एंड लेफ्ट साइड एंड आई एम always begin with the left side. Now for the left side the curls have to go outward this side, so this side हवा इस साइड से जाएगी वो उठाएगी. Now this time I'm changing the setting. fan भी highest पे है and heat भी highest पे है. I start with the heat highest setting and let it curl my hair and dry out my wet hair and style it, and then I go with the cold shot of the lowest setting. This is the step that is very mandatory. Let me show you now. Let's start with the front section. I'm scared क्योंकि मैं कैमरा पे कर रही हूँ. I feel like कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगी. Look at that beauty. Isn't it beautiful? And कितना perfect curl आया है. Now you must be thinking ये इतना drop क्यों हो रहा है? Don't worry, I have a fix for it, which is this. So literally मैं ये curl उठा के उसकी actual shape में I'm just gonna pinch it here. And ये वाला section भी थोड़ा ऊपर जाए. Earlier for the front section I used to go for rollers. These are great. These are like velcro rollers. मेरे बाल लगे हुए इसमें. But मुझे ये बहुत excessive सा step लगता है. I don't need it. I feel like Dyson and just these clips are good for the curls to be long lasting, and ये products भी use करती ही हूँ तो yeah it works for me. But obviously also ये जो मैं clips है ये हर एक curl के बाद नहीं लगाती हूँ. You'll see. Now the biggest reason सबके curls टिकते नहीं है, it's because they just let the Dyson do its work. ऐसा नहीं है. उनको लगता है कि बस बाल इसमें चढ़ जा रहे हैं. They are curling on its own. That is more than enough. But ऐसा नहीं है. There is a tactic to make your curls last longer. I'll show you. So when you start the Dyson, पहले I take the tip of it and I roll it over the head and I let it get caught on the head. जब वो पूरा एक roll हो जाता है, उसके बाद I let the curler come closer to my face and then I hold the hair का bit यहाँ से and then I stretch it ताकि थोड़ी tension बने in the curl so that literally every hair का piece is getting curled nicely. But if you just let the Dyson curl be there and बस 5 सेकंड के बाद उसको छोड़ दोगे तो मुझे लगता है वो बस सुखाता है, but there's not enough tension for your curl to be long lasting. And I don't know if I'm making sense. Let me just show you. अब ये नीचे से काफी अच्छे से रोल हो गया है. I'm just gonna let it all get curled. Now मैंने टिप्स से पकड़ के I'm just gonna do this. Cold shot. Just look at this beauty. इससे genuinely एक single strand gets more curly and they literally are more long lasting. Let me show you a random Dyson का curl एक बार. Cold shot. See, do you see the difference? This is so well defined. इसको देख के लग रहा है this would last for a longer period. उस पे वो wave and वो curl भी better आया है. This on the other hand, अंदर के बाल अभी भी गीले हैं. So that tension वाला step that you do ना, उससे पूरा वो जो आप hair strand ले रहे हो 1 इंच का, it gets dried and it gets styled on its own. So let me just redo it. इससे पहले कि ऐसी सूख जाए. So much better, the curl, right? Now this is the step that makes all the difference in my hair routine. That makes my curls more bouncy, more fluffy, more airy and also long lasting. This and the mousse that I apply. अब मैं इन दोनों को ना साथ में ऐसे रोल करके I'll just hold on. This section tied up ऊपर ताकि मैं यहाँ के पीछे के बालों को अच्छे से एक्सेस कर पाऊँ, वरना ये कर्ल यहाँ सामने रहता. इसलिए I prefer clipping just सामने के sections क्योंकि पीछे वाले फिर accessible नहीं रहते हैं. And now let me just quickly do it and see. यहाँ के पूरे सेक्शन हो गए, सिर्फ पीछे का इतना सेक्शन बचा है, तो I've clipped the rest of the 2 curls also ताकि पीछे के बाल मुझे आगे लाने में दिक्कत ना हो. Look at how beautiful and shiny my hair looks. This is all because of mousse, the good tension wala curling technique and also the serum that I apply, a lot of it. I apply it to the end so that itni thodi si jo मैं heat लगाती भी हूँ, उसके बाद my hair doesn't feel dehydrated and very, you know, dried up. You have to take care of your hair. तभी वो curls भी थोड़े bouncy and healthy and shiny लगेंगे. Moving to the other side, I will just flip this side. अब ये curl इस side के लिए जा रहा है, तो बाल यहाँ वाली side से roll होके जाएंगे. Let me show you. Again, I'm sectioning the front half पहले. Take it थोड़ा ऊपर की side कि वो bounce आए. So beautiful. Now let's take this section. And I also try कि मैं starting में ना यहाँ वाले portions थोड़े छोटे छोटे ही रखूँ, पतले पतले ही रखूँ. पीछे जाते जाते I do take still मोटे chunks of hair, but starting में I want the curls to be very long lasting. Alright, so we're done with both these sides. Literally सारा एक बाल curl हो चुका है. Now comes the fun part, which is opening up the curls. So let's start. The bounce is there because मैंने वो clip कर लिया था, तो actually पूरा curl बहुत अच्छे से marinate होता है, and your hair literally takes that styling really well. Literally ऊपर से वो curl आया है, and it's adding so much more volume to my hair. It's looking so good. Okay, the main part जो मुझे हमेशा tricky लगता है is this. अभी मैं इसको थोड़ा सा खोलूंगी. Look at the curls right now. They are so bouncy, so beautiful and so fluffy. ये क्लिप है यहाँ। अब इसको हम थोड़ा पीछे करेंगे। ना मैं ये दो छोटी क्लिप्स लेके सामने वाले कर्ल को बस पीछे एडजस्ट करूंगी। सेम गोस फॉर दिस साइड एज वेल। सिर्फ वो फ्रंट सेक्शन। यस, I know अभी थोड़ा weird लग रहा है, but wait. Now that the curls are done, I have to secure these curls a little as well, and for that I use a hairspray. This is by Bee Blunt. It's their Hot Shot Hold Spray. You can use the one whichever brand that you find. Every hold spray does the same thing. I truly believe अगर आप बाहर हो इंडिया से तो L'Oreal वाला ले लो. Yellow packaging वाला आता था, वो best था. Somehow they discontinued it in India. I don't know why, but now I'm just gonna closely spray it on the curls. बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पीछे से भी. And yeah, that is all. अभी थोड़े seconds के लिए I'm gonna let it sit and then we can comb it through. अगर मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है कि my hair is slightly looking more dry, then I go ahead with this serum once again. वरना this is the final hair. Now you see why I clipped it initially. वो हल्का सा clip करने से ना वो curl वहाँ पे adjust हो जाता है. So now it knows how to fall over my head, and it adds such a beautiful volume around my front section. So good. कैसे लग रहा है कि मैंने खुद घर पे किया है. If you want this to stay for a really long time, of course, आप यहाँ पे भी spray कर सकते हो. And you're good to go. What do you think? Okay, so this was the entire routine that I go for. Literally, this is the only thing that I follow. मैंने अपनी सारी tips बता दी हैं आपको इस वीडियो में. And these are my first hair curls. Obviously, they look much more tighter and much more nicely shaped. Of course, अगर मैं अब शाम में सो के उठूंगी तो ये थोड़े लूज हो जाएंगे, but somehow even on my 4th and 5th day there is a little bit of styling. They still look put together and not as वो बिल्कुल waves खुल नहीं जाते. Although the curls will open up and they get looser by the time I reach the 5th day, but it still looks manageable. And for a person like me who has to shoot every day, uske liye I find it really worth it. I know a lot of you asked me ki whether the Dyson is actually genuinely worth it. What I have noticed is कि मैंने जब भी curl करती थी अपने Alan Truman के proper curling wand से, my hair literally the ends would feel so dried up and so damn dehydrated. क्योंकि आप इतना heat लगा रहे हो, चाहे जितना भी heat protectant use कर लो, वो बहुत ज़्यादा harmful होता था आपके hair ends के लिए. This is definitely a great technology. I genuinely don't mind using it every day, and my hair still looks very lively. मैंने I think last haircut भी जून में लिया. And the fact that I have been styling it twice every week since then and my hair still looks like this speaks for itself. I'm not sure an everyday girl who just has to go to office should need such a styling tool. Of course, it's a great boon for influencers, for people who are genuinely interested in styling. But everyday use के लिए it's a little too much. अगर आपके बहुत ही curly बाल हैं, I would suggest go for the Air Straight one. That is a beautiful product. वो आपके बिल्कुल pin straight कर देगा बाल, and it would be less harmful for your hair as well because the Air Smart technology that they use is great. Definitely worth the price. अगर आपके literally curly बाल हैं, this toolkit is for people who genuinely are passionate about hair styling. Because सीधी बात करूँ तो ये curls use करना भी थोड़ा time में आएगा. I have been doing it for continuously 5 months. तब जाके मेरा हाथ एकदम set हुआ है. वरना ये एक और ऐसी चीज़ हो जाएगी जो आपने इंटरनेट पे देख के ले ली है and it's just lying in your closet. Of course, अगर कोई आपको गिफ्ट दे रहा है, definitely go ahead for this. It's a great investment that wise because hair literally look amazing. मैं चाहे इसको जितना भी open up कर लूँ, it's gonna look bomb.com. I know, but at the end I would say it's your personal preference. I am somebody who's been enjoying hairstyling. It's also a requirement of my job. So this price, this hefty price that you pay becomes worth it for me, but I don't know about the others. You decide. Baki टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स तो मैं बता ही देती हूँ. ऑल्सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ऑल द हेड्स दैट आई गॉट विद डायसन, आई गॉट लाइक 6 ऑफ देम. दिस इज ग्रेट फॉर एडिंग वॉल्यूम बट आई डोंट यूज इट बिकॉज मुझे लगता है इससे मुझे बहुत ब्रेकेज होता है. इट्स सो डेंसली मेड ना, ये मुझे लगता है इससे बहुत ब्रेकेज होगा, इसीलिए आई जस्ट कर्ल माई हेयर एंड अप्लाई अ पिन देयर. आई एम ओके विद इट. मुझे और इससे ज्यादा वॉल्यूम नहीं चाहिए. आई एम फाइन विद इट. सेम अबाउट दीज टू. इट्स ग्रेट फॉर जस्ट स्मूथनिंग माई क्राउन एरिया बट उसके अलावा आई हार्डली यूज दिस. लिटरली माई गो टू हैव बीन द कर्लिंग हेड्स एंड दैट ड्रायर. दिस वन मैं इनके बगैर कहीं नहीं जा सकती. आई एम हुक्ड टू दिस. आई डोंट नो अगर मेरा डायसन बंद हो गया किस दिन वर्क करना तो मैं क्या करूंगी हेयर स्टाइल के लिए, बट I love it. Also, I did buy this set of clips and rollers, but मैं rollers literally अब use करना बंद कर चुकी हूँ. Just this clip is enough for me. It came in a set of 12 and इसमें मैं literally 12 single curls को भी ऐसे बांध सकती हूँ. And 12 clips का set is enough for my medium length hair, like almost chest level hair के लिए it's enough. So yeah. Okay, somebody also asked me if there's any other routine that I can do to get the similar curl effect. Let me show you. Okay, so Dyson से भी पहले I bought this viral, curling method के लिए ही this ribbon. I don't know what to call it, thermocol की literally rod hardly worked on me. मैंने इसको रात भर लगाया, मैंने इसको wet hair पे भी लगाया. I tried everything, it just did not work for me. So I don't know what to say. Then I think last year these 3 set of velvet bendy curlers got viral. मैंने इसको भी इस बार बहुत try किया. It gave me a little bit of bounce. It's great if I want to add volume here, but somehow ये वाले curls इसमें नहीं आए. I will however suggest if you're planning to do it correctly in wet hair and apply a curling mousse and then sleep overnight with these. It will give you that blown out very bouncy big wavy curls but not these defined curls. I think Dyson का अगर मैं अभी पूरा खोल दूँ वो जो look आएगा वो इससे आ सकता है but not this. Plus ऐसे non heating curling methods में ये भी होता है कि what is your hair type. My hair type is such अगर मैं अच्छे से style कर लूँ it can hold on to it for 3-4 days but it requires a little bit of heat या फिर कुछ तो मुझे extra लगाना पड़ता है वरना Dyson के curls wouldn't stay more than 24 hours on me. वो पूरे straight हो जाते थे. It's that curling mousse that has been giving me these curls that last longer. But उसके अलावा definitely try this one. I think this is way more good because I did see a difference in volume and थोड़ी सी wave तो आई थी. ये तो बिल्कुल did not work for me. Let me know if you'd be interested in me doing a short form video about my experience about this. And yeah, that is all for this video. I hope this was helpful. I literally shared everything that I do, like literally from scratch. बाल धोने से लेके सब कुछ. So yeah, I really hope it helped you make up your mind whether you want to invest so much in using this product. For me, it is definitely life-changing. I swear by it, but obviously it's really costly, so थोड़ा mindful होके ये decision लेना. बाकी, if you have any more recommendations about videos, ideas, let me know in the comment section and I will see you next time. Bye. That's what. Please मत कर दो उसको बस. हाँ. Good morning. मेरी voice तुम्हारे लिए white noise हुई थी ऐसे? बहुत बुरा अलार्म हो गया. नहीं बजा क्या?